in the by the Pope. Now here this medicinal plants source from the cultivation. This is the demand in the figure in the metric tons. You can see here the very common plant, that is aloe vera. So this commonly called as the corfut. You can see what is the requirement or this requirement of this kind of the medicinal plant. Another is the piper longum tree. So that is used in various formulations. So we can see here how much quantity of the medicinal plant in metric ton that is required for the various type of industries. So these are the plant parts which are used in the Ayurvedic industry. This is the data which is taken from the FRLST report. You can see here all the parts of the plant, including the whole plant, no doubt, but we can see here the root, rhizome, every part of the plant that has the use. Now here the most important thing, the trade and the issue related to the marketing of the medicinal plants. What happens? The issues which is related to the marketing of the medicinal plants or the trading, that is the marketing linkage. We know that there is not such kind of well-developed marketing linkage like mandis, market places in our region or in various regions. So they don't know where to sell that particular kind of medicinal plant if they cultivated that one. Another thing, that is the unorganized supply chain for the medicinal plants, because these medicinal plants which are cultivated in the form of the scattered stores. So I would like to tell one example from our region, that in our region Pimpli piper longum is cultivated, and there is a one patch, but there is a unorganized supply chain, means in that particular region only there is a cultivation of that kind of the medicinal plant. In other regions there is not a cultivation of the medicinal plant. So these scattered source and limited quantity, not so organized. If any industry that requires such kind of the medicinal plant in a large quantity, so that cannot be provided. Another thing, lack of proper PHM facility, means post-harvesting management. So there is not a such kind of the post-harvesting management which is used by the farmers, because they don't know what to do after the cultivation of the medicinal plant. This is a very important thing. That is drying yard, storage, grading, as per the requirement of the industry experts. Whatever the industry which required that particular thing, so that is not followed there. And another thing, lack of the semi-processing unit. There is not such kind of the semi-processing unit is developed for the value addition. And that SOP is also SOP for the quality standards, that is not also developed. So for that I would like to quote another example, that is the Boswellia plant. Their fruits that is available in the forest, but many people, they don't know is it used for the edible purpose or not. This is one thing. If they know the use of this that particular fruit, then they don't know how it is prepared. So there is a wastage. If there is a primary processing of that kind of the fruits, so that fruit will not be wasted. So this is a very important thing that should be done here in that thing, and these are the various issues. For that there is a future course of the action, and this future course of the action, that is develop the agro technology for the remaining high demand medicinal plants.